sir?
It is very unfortunate to say that the capital of India has been facing very substandard quality of air in Delhi. People are breathing the unqualified air from Delhi. Delhi. So this is this is very hazardous to the health of the people also. So Government of India as well as the local government, that is the Aam Aadmi Party government, must travel to take necessary steps to safeguard the interest of health interest of the Delhi people. This has become a very dangerous since a long time, but this demand has been there from the Delhi people since 1 year. But no steps have been taken by the government of India in this regard. But now the air pollution it became a very serious and it became a very dangerous in Delhi. So more than 1 crore people, in capital are living. So their health. Apart from that, there are some poor people and middle class people who are unable to go to hospitals also because of their sufferance from the breathing of the bad air pollution. So these things are there. So Government of India must take necessary steps with regard to this, and it must prevent polluted air in Delhi by hook or crook. Otherwise, people of Delhi will suffer a lot. And on par with other countries and other capitals is concerned, Delhi is facing Delhi stands number 1 in air pollution. So this name cannot be circulated so that if it is circulated that pollution is very bad in Delhi, so other countries may not come forward to help to have contacts and agreements with this country also. So this is though it's a problem of a capital Delhi, but that impacts that causes a lot of impact over the international issues also. So Government of India must take necessary steps, and Andhra Pradesh Congress Committee also demanding that Government of India as well as the local government must take necessary steps to prevent the bad pollution in Delhi, which is more severe, more hazardous, never and ever before. So Andhra Pradesh Congress Committee is now requesting the Government of India to take necessary steps and save the lives of the people and from the health hazards. Now coming to the that air pollution in Delhi. They say the Mr. Gopal, some central minister says that B3 and B4 buses were banned by the Delhi government. But whereas in Uttar Pradesh, they have been sending the same buses to Delhi, B3 and B4 buses, which were banned by the government of India. Now they say that they are causing a lot of pollution in Delhi. If it is true, in Delhi is ruled by the BJP government, and UP is also ruled by the BJP government. When you have banned the B3 and BS3 and BS4 buses, how can your own man, Yogi Adityanath, can send the banned buses to Delhi? Is there any that means he is not obeying the orders of the government of India. So that's an internal problem. So take necessary steps against Adityanath Das. Don't request him. He has been doing a crime by sending these banned buses to the Delhi. So you take necessary steps against him, and you have been requesting the Delhi all the institutions like construction department, industries department, other departments not to create a pollution in Delhi. But why not you demand the Yogi not to send the B3, B4 buses to Delhi? So you take necessary steps against him, and that amounts to a violation of order by the government of India by Yogi. It amounts to crime also. So register a case against him and stop the buses that were banned by the government of India by BS3 and BS4 buses. So take necessary steps against Yogi immediately and ask him to stop the buses sending from UP to Delhi, these buses. So coming to the Amit Shah's statement that we never opposed. What is this? We never opposed the caste census, caste-based census. But that indicates you never supported it. Your word, your statement itself clearly shows that we never opposed. So that means you never you never supported the cause of the census, caste basis census. Now there are elections in Chhattisgarh. Now you are telling that we are not opposed and we are discussing things so that we will take necessary steps. The already Bihar government has announced, and Congress governments where they are in power in Rajasthan and Bangalore, they are also trying to count the caste census. Now government of India is against this caste census, because if the population is more than 63-64% OBCs are there, the BJP works only on the upper caste based politics. So your people will go down. So that's why you are not much interested in counting the caste census, caste based census. You are not much interested. Now you are telling to face the elections in Chhattisgarh. Now we are not opposed. That means you are not supported the caste census. So you understand your statement. You can understand, Congress party can understand that you are against the caste census, and it will continue till the 2024 elections. Before 2024 elections in March or April, it will be scheduled. So at the time you may declare that we are for the caste census also to back the voting pattern in favor of you. But that's a gimmick, and people are understanding it, and so they will no more believe you and your words and your party can stand. So your party is based on more particularly on the caste basis and more particularly on the upper caste basis. So you are not much interested in caste census. If it is counted on the caste census basis, so more people are SCs, BCs, OBs, and minority. So more than 65% are there. So there must be reservations must be given for them. As far as Congress party is concerned, we are going to give reservations for them in the elections process also. So your action and your support towards the upper caste will be defeated. So you are not much interested. You are for the election sake to gain some votes and to bag some votes in Chhattisgarh. You are talking as you like. It's not a fact, and you are against the. We assume that you are against the caste census. So your statement is not believable, and if you want to give a statement in favor of the caste census, it is very easy for you, because Modi claims that he is also OBC, and though you are not OBC, both are sailing each other with one word, oneness. So you can declare OBC man who is working as a president of Prime Minister of India, he can very easily declare that, but you are not interested. So we know that. So you cannot do that until 2024 election schedule come forward. So coming to the allegation against the Baghel, as usual, a very dramatic thing that the opposition leaders should be suppressed like anything by misusing or by misusing the ED and other institutions which are working under your hands. So now ED is very much interested. What you say, they will obey it. That's all. So now there are elections in Chhattisgarh. You want to arrest Baghel by hook or crook. So you arrested on some ex-YZ as an accused, and basing on this statement, you want to create a story against the Baghel, Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, that 5,808 crores rupees were transferred to the Baghel. There is no proof. That is nothing but a joke. So basing on the joke and report and a confession statement given by the accuser, you are going to take necessary steps against the Baghel as Chief Minister of the Chhattisgarh. This is very bad in politics. You want to catch an ex in your favor. He says that something against the congressman who is holding a good post as Chief Minister or some other upper post. So you want to drag him into the mud and you want to summon him to the office, your office, and you will issue a summons. This is all going by at the behest of the Amit Shah and Modi ji, Prime Minister of India. This is a very bad game in politics, in democracy. Democracy will not survive if you do like that. So if you want to, if you are interested in democracy, you must respect the opposition leaders also. I do not mean that you must also support those who participated, who gained money by misusing their power. I am not for that. But thing is, this is the only thing is that you want to take the opposition leaders into your fold by creating a havoc in their minds. And this will not be completed. Your evil design will not be fulfilled as far as the Congress party and Congress party leaders are concerned. They are ready to face anything. And so Baghel, Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, is also prepared for everything. And we have been expecting. We have been expecting since few months that when you summoned Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul ji for ED office, when you summoned some West Bengal ministers, Jyoti, and when you summoned Maharashtra, when you summoned our own leader Shivakumar, and this is the part of your game. Summoning the opposition leaders and suppressing their fundamental rights by creating havoc in their minds. So this is your part of the game and part of your evil design. Andhra Pradesh Congress Committee is very seriously condemning your statement, and people of those who belongs to Congress Party will not heed up to you, and they will stand for their own ideology and commitment, and all this is all nothing but these allegations are bogus, and an accused statement, more particularly an accused statement, is not admissible, and you are making false allegations through an arrested accused who is in your favor, that 508 crores were transferred in favor of the Baghel. This is all a bogus statement, and now your interest is that you must be summoned to the Delhi for ED court, ED office, and you want to tarnish the image of the Baghel, Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, and you want to do some mess in this case, and that's why you are summoning. He is Chief Minister. I tell you, he is Chief Minister since 5 years, more than four and a half years. What is that you are doing all the way without issuing a notice? When the elections are likely to schedule in shortly, you are summoning them to your office. This is very bad in politics, and this evil design, people are watching, and you will be teaching a lesson in 2024 elections. Thank you.